How to delete Instagram account permanently. What's up everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy way to delete your Instagram account permanently. For some reason, if you want to get rid of your Instagram account, just watch the video till the end and follow these steps very carefully. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram and tap on your profile section at the bottom right corner. Then just tap on the hamburger menu at the top right. Now you'll see your account center right on top of your settings. And if you tap on profiles, you'll find all of your connected profiles on your account center. From here, you just want to head over to your personal details. Just tap right here. You will find all of your contact info and date of birth on your personal details. And right under there, you'll find account ownership and control. Tap right there, and you will see deactivation or deletion, and choose the account that you want to delete or deactivate. So on this page, you'll actually find two options. The first one is to temporarily deactivate your account. So if you just want a short break, you can choose the first option. But if you permanently want to get rid of your account, you will have to choose the second option. But you will have to note that when you delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will also be permanently removed. If you'd just like to take a break, you can just choose the first option. I'm just going to delete my account, so I'm just going to choose the second option, tap on continue, and here you can choose a reason for deleting your account and tap on continue. For security reasons, you are asked to enter your password and tap on continue, and your account will be deleted. So that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. If you have any confusions, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.